Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Round Robin. Today we have a great job opportunity. In this video I will discuss two jobs notification. So please watch this video till the end. Freshers are eligible, final year students are eligible, pass out batch are also eligible. Talking to first job, that is in Deloitte off campus, hiring for BTA, Business Technology Analyst. So as a business technology analyst, Deloitte Consulting, you will responsible for crafting, developing and deploying the software solution at an enterprise level. So you will be working with functional teams in the project located at offshore as well as onshore. So this job's location in Hyderabad. So you have a understand business requirement and needs, support technical functional process document creation, maintain an effective library, build, test and deliver solution, support application design, responsible for technical specification creation, responsible for code development and unit testing, responsible for test data creation and test script creation and execution. So this jobs is all about business technology analyst, and we will talking about qualification required. So all BE BTech students are eligible, pass out also, and those who are in final year or fresher who can also apply for this job. So the general expectation for the candidate is excellent communication skills and ability to work both independently as a part of a team with professional at all levels. And uh, priorities task, work on multiple assignment and raise concern question where appropriate. So suggest practical solution and partner with the client to implement the solution, interact with client functional SMEs. So these are the expectation for the candidates, and the skills looking for in you: be deadline oriented and quality focused, strong verbal and communication skills. So good presentation skills and good general understanding of information technology, and general understanding of also MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and good analytical skills. So and what are the benefits you will get? So you know that great people make a great organization. So you all know Deloitte is a very good organization, it is a very big company. We value our people and offer employees a broad range of benefits. Learn more about that working at Deloitte can mean for you. So this is a very good job opportunity in Deloitte. So those who are looking forward to career in Deloitte or career in business technology analyst, then please apply for this job, and also share the share this video to your friend who are looking a job in Deloitte or looking a job in business technology analyst. So I give you the apply link in description. Thank you. So talking to the second job, our second job is in Apple. Yeah. So for the job is management associate, Apple Media Service India. The job location for this job is Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this job is this is a internship actually. This is not a full-time job. This internship will last up to 12 months. The role will be raised in Mumbai. So if you are they are not promising to full time, but if you doing some great things in this internship, then you can also be promoted as full time. So sometime it is happen. So key qualification: we would like you to dedicated, organized and hardworking last year graduate, preferably with education in the sphere of performance marketing, media planning, PR, journalism, social science or TV and music, with strong interpersonal skills and good at managing relationships. So you will also need to be someone who phenomenal attention to detail and accuracy. So you have a deep understanding of digital landscape, a digital native, good technical skills. So you have a know about the product of Apple iOS, Mac OS, Keynote, and you have a some basic knowledge in Excel. So this is the qualification need and the job description. uh, so this is a basically a marketing job in for Apple Media Services. So the job description is learn digital content management system and process, learn develop superb keynote presentation and reporting skill, support manager and team in their core weekly activities. So yeah, so and I will talking about education and experience. So graduate degree in related field is a plus. So if you have uh, graduate I mean BE BTech in any branch, then you can apply. But those who have MBA degree, they will prefer that candidate. So MBA or equivalent degree is preferred. But if you don't have an MBA degree, you can apply, and also you can get a job, because uh, they already mentioned graduate degree is a related field is a plus. So this is a internship job, not a full-time job. This is a 12-month internship, but if you doing great in 12 months, you may be promoted as a full-time. So this is a very good job. Apple is a dream company for everyone, not for in software development. Also a dream company for management associate. So those who are doing MBA, that is dream for him to job in management associate. So you can apply. This job is very good, and the salary is not described by Apple for this job, but I give you idea. It should be 4 to 5 lakh, around 40k month you will get for 1 year. So yeah, thank you for watching this video till the end, and I will give you I will just put the apply link in the description for both the jobs, so you can apply for both jobs. So yeah, thank you, all the best.